guys, welcome back to another episode. That looks so good. 500 horse, absolute machine. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today is D-Day. I've just arrived at Custom Coatings. I'm here to get my wide body finally installed by Grant at Custom Coatings. I'm super excited, super nervous to hand over the keys. This has been about 1.5 years in the making now. So let's go and see Grant, hand over the keys and get this wide body journey started. And here he is, the man, the myth, the legend, just driving down this RS GT3. How are you, mate? How are you?
Yeah, a little bit tired, but nonetheless, still working.
Still working, yeah, working hard as always.
Always.
How excited are you?
It's building. It's definitely building now that the car's here. It's mounting even faster, to be honest, the excitement. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck into it.
Put this towel away and let's go and have a chat about the Stinger and what's to come. So it's D-Day.
It is indeed.
D-Day.
Are you excited?
I'm nervous, man. I'm fucking bricks.
Yeah, well, that makes two of us. First wide body ever.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
So, what's the plan?
Well, we're gonna get it. We'll get the kit mocked up first.
Yep.
In situ. See how everything fits.
Yep. Just like the last one.
As it is, yeah, like the last video.
Yep.
And then basically plot the course from there. You know what I mean? So just so we know if there's any sublet services, what we need to do, or if we need to allow time for certain things.
Yep. What is the first step? Mock up?
Yep.
When are we cutting panels? What's the process? Talk us through it. A lot of, like, I haven't really experienced cutting a wide body or actually installing one. This is my first wide body on any car that I've owned. I hope not. I hope not. So I really want to understand, and I want these guys to understand before we get into this, how big a deal this is. It's not just slapping on some body panels, chucking some glue on it, and we're good to go. This is getting certs. Like,
yes.
This is full
the
deal.
Whole 9 yards.
So what are we doing?
So basically, well, what happens with wide body kits is because you're cutting into body panels and the way the factory designed it and ultimately made it, we're changing that slightly, or a lot. So all that work needs to be audited and checked and then certified to say that it was done to a certain standard that's still safe relative to the factory standards. So we'll be cutting into all four corners to allow for clearance for bigger wheels, both total diameter and width. And make all relevant changes to allow for turning radiuses and suspension travel without rubbing. That is, like, if it rubs, you might as well not have the wide body. You know what I mean? So it's important that it functions in a way that it doesn't look or it wasn't butchered. You know, and that's something that's something I like as in terms of a workmanship standard. You know, if it doesn't work as good, if not better than it was before you started working on it, then you've done nothing.
So we've got a 27-piece kit, wide body kit. I think his face says it all.
I have seen it, yes.
How excited are you?
On a scale of 7 to 9.
On a scale of 1 to 10, first Stinger in Australasia with a wide body kit, and you guys are doing it.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to that and seeing how that actually gets received into even wider than just the Kia Stinger, because Kia Stingers are it's a very underestimated car, like contender anyway, in especially for our demographic in modifying cars. So it'll be cool to see how this turns out, most importantly. Secondly, how it gets received by
100%.
the general car community.
100%.
You know, so and like you said, it's
already the underdog, bro. Already the underdog.
It's the first one at the very least in Australasia.
So it's the first one in the world of this wide body that's going to be installed. No one else has done it in the world.
So even
everyone's been too nervous to do it. So there's less pressure for you, but it's all good. Just standing back here now, looking at this for the final time. I almost don't want to go ahead with it. Hey, I don't want to go ahead with it. It looks so f***ing good right now, but I think I think once we actually get into it, it's going to look 10 times better. So no, I'm really excited, and thanks for all the help, man. Thanks for taking the jump, the leap of faith with me, and doing all the work. I couldn't do this without you, obviously. But no, I'm super excited for what it's going to look like.
It's in good hands, bro.
Oh, 100%, 100%.
We've invested in having it look like what basically people expect and what you expect it to look like.
100%.
You know, the fact that it's the first one, not only in the country or Australasia, but the world, does sort of change. You know, it does change the premise. Yeah,
Bombshell dropped.
Yeah, it's just like, yeah.
But I know you've got it under control, and it will look mint when it's done. So as always, bro, thanks for everything.
Thank you, bro.
We will see you next week.
Yes.
For day one of the actual build.
Yeah, on the setup and all that.
Exactly. But as always, guys, go give Grant a follow and subscribe. And as always, comment and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.